There's been a massive blast that took place near the Karachi airport in Pakistan in which 2 Chinese nationals have lost their life. Remember, this has become an international issue as well. 10 others have been injured, but it looks like from the visuals that possibly the casualties may increase. This explosion near the Jinnah International Airport in Karachi happened yesterday evening when a suicide bomber rammed an explosive vehicle into a convoy of Chinese engineers. After the incident, the banned outfit Balochistan Liberation Army has claimed responsibility for this suicide bombing. Pakistan government has said explosion was caused by a suspected improvised explosive device in which one foreigner was also injured. China condemns the heinous act of terrorism and conveyed heartfelt condolences to the families of the victims, both Chinese and Pakistani, and asking for an immediate investigation into this.
जो इनिशियल इतला हुई है वो एक ऑयल टैंकर जो है उसके आग लगने से जो मुतअद्दिद गाड़ियां जो है वो उसकी जद में आई हैं और उससे बहुत सारा कोलेटरल डैमेज हुआ है। उसको हम अभी मजीद असर्टेन कर रहे हैं। तो ये कहना कि ये कौन टारगेट है या किसको टारगेट किया गया है, ये इस वक्त कबल वक्त है। हमें जो है वो इस वक्त 2 डेड की इतला आ रही है, उसको भी हम वेरीफाई कर रहे हैं कि वो इस हादसे के जद में होके आए हैं।
Our Foreign Affairs editor Geeta Mohan is joining me for the latest on that. Geeta, clearly very horrific visuals to say the least, and I wonder if the death toll could be more and if Pakistan is under-reporting it. What are you picking up on the ground on what you hear, what happened?
Well, there are people who are injured and are in hospitals, so we don't know whether this is going to be a rise in casualty figure, but the fact that the Chinese convoy came under attack is a very, very serious incident. China will be looking into this. Calling for investigations internally is another matter. The fact that the Chinese government is also going to step in is going to be a massive diplomatic it's a massive diplomatic incident, and it is going to have certain fallout because this has to do with their projects in Balochistan and the fact that people over there have been protesting Chinese involvement in projects where nothing is done for the people in Balochistan, for the Baloch, but all the revenues go into Islamabad and largely towards Punjab, the Punjab. So one will have to see what really happens from here on, but this was a major attack. Yes. And the situation...
Geeta, can we say that this will likely escalate? Because we've seen a lot of, if not, of course, magnitude is not the same, but we have seen similar either attacks or attempts. Specifically, remember, there was another suicide bombing that had taken place. Specifically, there are Chinese investments that are coming in Pakistan, or should I say specifically Balochistan, or which Baloch people do not get any benefit of.
Well, absolutely. And the Chinese have come under attack in the past as well, whether it's at the Gwadar port or their projects. The Chinese convoys, vans have come under attack in the past as well, and they have had major losses then too. But this certainly is one of the biggest attacks that the Chinese have come under from the Baloch Liberation Army or any Baloch wing, so to say. And the Chinese will have to reassess the situation whether they can have their personnel on the ground without the kind of adequate security that is required to have them there working on projects. So yes, it is a diplomatic incident, and the Chinese government will be looking into the security of Chinese personnel working in Balochistan and in other parts of China, Pakistan.
Yes. All right, Geeta, keep tracking all the latest on that. Horrific visuals coming to the fore. This is very close to the Karachi airport. Remember, well-planned bomb blast that has taken place, suicide bombing. Look at the visuals, the kind of explosions that happened. This was a high-security, high-profile convoy in Pakistan of Chinese engineers that was attacked.